What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Caesar, and in this video I got everything planned out for you guys. We're going to show you guys how to ship out boxes. So we got shoe boxes. I'm going to show you guys what size, where I bought them at. We're going to actually package up a shoe box at the very end of this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned all the way to the end. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, I get my boxes from Amazon, and this is how they come right here. They're saran wrapped, okay? You got the strap right here, and this is how they come. This is the actual shipping label right here. I just ripped it off, so you know you guys don't come find me at my house or any of that good stuff. So this is it right here. They come in 25 boxes for the most part. I'll tell you guys which one comes with 25 and which one doesn't. Usually they're $1.20 each box, depending on the size. Okay, so we're gonna get right into the different sizes. So the first box we have, it's 12 by 10 by 6 inches. All these boxes I'm gonna show you guys, they're all gonna be 6 inches tall, okay? So it's gonna vary on how wide and how long it is, okay? So this is our box right here. I just put some tape at the bottom, nothing crazy. So right here, I have a GS pair, okay? These are actually pretty sick, I gotta tell you guys right here. Jordan 1 lows, they're sick, super duper sick. Okay, these are size 4 right here, and they fit like perfectly in this box right here. Okay, that's how they fit. There's only a little bit of wiggle room, and so it's 12 by 10 inches, okay? So if you're gonna ship out a 7Y, GS stands for grade school. If you're gonna ship out a 7Y, it's probably gonna be too snug, and you're probably gonna have to move on to the next box, okay? So that's the first box that we have for you. So let's move over to the next box. So this one's gonna be 16 by 10 by 6. By the way, I don't know why they didn't have it written down over here, so I kind of had to write it down for you guys. The rest of the boxes are good to go with the sizing actually marked on there. Okay, so we got 16 by 10 by 6. This is the box right here, and I have a pair of shoes in here. This is my go-to size right here. If you guys are working with, you know, grade school from, you could do a 6.5 grade school all the way to, I say 10 and 10.5 is my cutoff. You could put size 11 in here, but it starts getting too crammed in here. Okay, so let's see. This is a size 10.5. I'm just trying to show off my my holes I got. So this is the Jordan 1 High Metallic Gold, okay, and it is 10.5, like I mentioned, and it fits pretty perfect in here. I gotta say, you guys, like, look at that. There's not too much wiggle room, okay? So all you're gonna have to do is put a little bit of padding in here, okay? So let me get these out, and then let me show you. This is a size 8 in female, so it's 6.5 male, okay? Oh, you guys don't want to see that. Okay, so this is the Dunk High Syracuse, okay? So I'm gonna actually be shipping these out. That's why I have this paper here, it's the receipt. So I'm gonna actually ship that out, and that's what I'm gonna show you guys in a second, okay? But look how this fits. I mean, it fits in here, and we got a lot of wiggle room to work with, okay? And I mentioned that 16 by 10 by 6. That is the go-to size pretty much when you're shipping shoes. Once you start getting to the big boy size, I'll show you guys right now in a second, but that's gonna be your target right there. Okay, so let's move over to the next, okay? And the thing about this one is, if you guys notice, it's the same exact size as the one I just showed you guys. So it's 16 by 10 by 6, but check it out. So this is the double ply. So this is a lot heavier. It's heavy duty, right? Compared to the one. Let me show you guys side by side. So this is the one, or it's called standard ply, and then this is the double ply, okay? So this is the heavy duty stuff. So this is like, if you're shipping out a grill, if you're shipping out something that's worth some money, you're gonna wanna put it in here. So I brought something out for you guys, so let's check it out. It is a size 10.5. I had to show you guys the bodegas. I hit the bodegas on the sneakers, and I love this shoe so crazy. I'm gonna hold it as long as I can, but that's not what this video is about. It's about shoe sizes. All right, so like I mentioned, it's the same size, 10.5, same size box as the other box, okay? But it's double ply, so it's a little bit tighter than the other one. For the most part, it's the same thing, but you guys can see there's a little bit of wiggle room. That's where you put your padding in there when you're shipping your shoe out. So I just wanted to make sure you guys know the difference, because this is the double ply. So this is like solid, so it holds more stuff. Like if you're shipping something else besides shoes, it'll hold stronger. But you know, I'm gonna be making over 100 plus on the shoe, so it's okay if I spend $3 on this box. So like I mentioned before, all the other boxes, they're around $1, $1.25, $1.30, right? Each box. This one, it's $3 and change each box, okay? So I have a couple of these going, and it's 15 versus the 25 pack, okay? So I got a 15 pack in these, okay? So let's keep it pushing. So this is the big boy size now. We're 16 by 12 by 6. So 12, it's 2 inches wider than over here, because you're gonna need it, because some of the shoes are a little bit wider once you start working to size 13, size 14, size 15. I try not to get anything past size 13. I have gone to size 14 that fit in here perfectly. Let's see what we got. We got the Air Force One. I was gonna say Notra. They're not Notras. They are Nordic. Man, almost forgetting. Okay, so I don't know what that is right there. So Air Force One, got the Nordic Air Force Ones, and you guys can see this is a wider box than this over here. It's so snug, I gotta flip it around, and I don't want to damage this box. So you guys could see the difference between these boxes, okay? Look at that. It's about 2 inches or so, okay? That's why we got 2 inches to work with here, okay? 16 by 12 by 6. Let me show you guys. And wow, look how snug that is. You guys, that is so snug. It only leaves a little bit of room for the padding. That way the shoes are not bouncing around everywhere. And usually when sneakers, they send you your shoes, or anywhere, Foot Locker, anywhere, they usually don't have padding. They usually just throw your shoe box in a bigger box, and it kind of rattles up. Sometimes you got the box messed up, but that's what you got to deal with when you're buying shoes online. Okay, so now we are going to get into the shipping portion of this video, and let's get that started right now. Now I'm going to show you guys how I tape everything up to get ready to ship out. Like I said, we got the Dunk High Syracuse. I almost said something else, the bodegas, but here we go. So these are the size 8s. We're going to put this in this box right here, and that's the 16 by 10 by 6 box. So you guys can see there's a lot of wiggle room here. Now, if you're shipping to the actual buyer, I would advise you guys to get something nice like this right here. This is the bubble wrap, and this is the name brand. This is the Duck one, but I'm gonna be, by the way, I'm gonna be linking all the stuff that I'm talking about in the description box below. You guys, there's gonna be one link. You guys can go to it, check everything out. Everything in this video is gonna be linked. Okay, so I'm gonna link this is the good stuff, and I'm also link a generic one that actually works good too. Okay, so like I said, if you're shipping to the buyer, you're gonna wanna make it look nice and pretty. But if you're shipping to GOAT or to StockX, that's where I usually do my shipping. You guys, I put anything in here to make it nice and padded, right? Okay, so like one thing that I use, this is an Adidas bag. I always hit up Adidas, and I get a bunch of shoes from there. So I use their bags. All I do is fold it up, crinkle it up like this, and then all you do is put it on the side like so, okay? There's not much to it. I already had these ready to go, right? So, you know, you just start stuffing like that. If you guys order a lot of stuff from Amazon like me, you have these big air bubbles, right? So all you have to do, same thing, you know, put those in there. Well, StockX and GOAT, they want to see you have stuff all the way around. So you're not going to have it like this. You're actually going to pad on every single side, all 4 sizes. That's how they want it, okay? So something like that, okay? And then what I do, so I used to get so mad at the mailman because he used to bring all this junk, but now I actually like it. I'm like, hey, what's up, man? You got some more of that, you know, junk mail? So what you do is you just take it like this. You bring it like that, and I put these on, I always put these on the side like so. Okay, so I just put it on the side, that way, you know, it stays nice and padded, and you guys don't want to mess up the boxes, because it does matter if you guys messing up boxes. Something else I want to show you guys. So, like, I hit up Champs, Foot Locker, I hit up everything, they give you bags. You guys, look at this, same thing. All you gotta do is padding. You put padding on one side. That's how I save money. You know, I try to stay away from using the good stuff. I try to recycle stuff that I have from the stores and all that good stuff, okay? So let's get into the tape. Actually, I'm gonna make this look pretty, then we're gonna get into the tape. Okay, you guys, so I made it a little bit prettier, okay? This is exactly how I'm gonna ship out. And I forget if it's GOAT or StockX. This is GOAT. So I'm shipping out to GOAT, okay? So this is how I'm gonna do it. And then one more thing is I'm gonna put this on top so it's not bouncing around. So I'm telling you guys, this is how I ship my stuff out. I'm not joking around about how I recycle stuff. I do that. People at GOAT and StockX, they probably open it and be like, what, it's this guy again? Caesar Sneaks is at it again? Okay, so how I do it, well, let me close this and we'll talk about the tape that I use. Okay. All right. So I use, it's the Duct Tape, right? As of recently, I've been testing out other tapes to you know, see the durability, make sure it's nice and good. But I definitely recommend you get a dispenser like this, whether it's from Duck or any other brand. It's just so much easier. All you have to do is roll it out, and then you just cut right here, right? You just cut it just like that. If you guys are messing around with the scissors and just with the roll without this dispenser, it takes up a lot of time, you guys. This is very efficient, and it's just, you know, a lot faster. Okay, so let me show you guys how easy it is, okay? We just go like that, and then bring it, cut it, and that's how easy it is. So StockX and GOAT, they want you to have 2 inches. Okay, they want you to have 2 inches wide, so that's 2 inches right there. Okay, so on GOAT, you don't need to do this, but on StockX, you do need to do this. They want this taped. They want the H tape, right? So what they're talking about is it looks like the letter H right here. And all I do there, I kind of just measure it and then put it down like so, okay? I am sending it to GOAT, like I mentioned, but I did want to show you guys what you're supposed to do for StockX, and you're supposed to tape that part up, okay? I already taped it up on the bottom side right here and right here. You guys, I ship all the time. As you guys can see, I got a bunch of boxes over here. I'm ready to go. All I have to go to UPS and just drop those off, okay? So a couple more things I want to show you guys. Don't go yet, okay? I have one more thing I want to show you guys. The brown tape. This is what you want to use if you're going to ship out to an actual buyer, not like StockX or GOAT. If you have a box, right? So this is the box I have. One more thing is make sure you're recycling the boxes, because you could throw any shoe box right back. This is the sneakers or the Nike box. You could throw it right back in there and then ship it to StockX or GOAT. They get these all the time. Okay, so back to what I was talking about the brown tape. If you have boxes that have imperfections or whatever, just like this, like say I couldn't rip it out, all you have to do is cover it up like that, and that looks pretty nice. It's brown on brown, cardboard to cardboard, and that's why I have this tape in particular, but I normally use the clear tape like this. Okay, so let me show you guys one more thing here. This is a lifesaver. You guys don't know how many times it saved me not cutting open any shoe boxes on the inside. So let's say I got a shoe box from Foot Locker, from sneakers, from wherever. You guys, this, all you have to do is push this button like so, and the blade comes out, okay? And the blade, that's it. That's as far as it comes out. So it's not going all the way in. I mentioned this in another video, but I've seen some unboxing channels with the shoe unboxing channels. You guys, they pull out the machete, and they got a machete, and they're sitting there hacking it up, and I'm like, man, you're gonna mess up the box. This is so easy. Man, I don't want to open this because I'm actually going to really ship this out, but I did want to show you guys how this works. So I'll show you on the edge. Okay, so all you have to do is bring it out like so, and boom. So look at that. It's open. That's how easy it is. Same thing when you're going across here. All you have to do is go across, open it up, and you don't have to worry about your shoebox being damaged. Now you can ship it out to, you know, your buyer, and they're going to be very happy because you don't have the box all cut up, or you're going to get denied from GOAT or from StockX. So that is my video. It was a little long, I know, but I wanted to show you guys everything I know about shipping out shoe boxes. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that thumbs up like. Any comments, I'll be happy to answer you guys. So just put all those in the comment box below. Consider subscribing, and I will check you guys out on the next video.